Hey, beautiful people. Christopher Green.
Austin Green.
We're here to just welcome you. Hope you have a wonderful day today. God bless each and every one of you tuning in. Wanted to do a short video and remind you not only of our special promo, bitcoinrich.com. Make sure you join school. What do you think of school, son?
Good.
Sweet. See us at school. There's $100 off to get in today. Make sure you do that. But don't lose sight on what the most important things are in life. Family, love, joy, and in fact, that's the whole point of bitcoinrich.com, to not only learn about the blockchain, Bitcoin, and other cryptocurrencies that have been skyrocketing, like you've probably been reading about Dogecoin, the doggy coin, which was up 80% just a few days ago. Elon Musk even tweeted about it, but also to improve your life. That's the whole point. So anyway, guys, make sure you join us at bitcoinrich.com. Click the link below. Learn all the fundamentals of blockchain tech. What is Bitcoin? What is Ethereum? The difference between proof of work, proof of stake, how to earn yield in various cryptocurrencies. You can earn nothing at a bank right now. And there truly is a people-led movement against Wall Street and the banks. Son, what's our slogan?
Think and grow bitcoinrich.com.
That's right. Think and grow bitcoinrich.com. We'll see you at school.